Hello everyone, here we are with our jump lesson for today with our new unit. The unit is called Measurement and Data, Mass and Capacity. It might say that in your book. The first lesson in this unit is about measuring things on scales, and it looks like probably that lesson will be easy for you, which is why I'm not making a video just on that. But if you have any questions about it when you do your jump pages, please write the page number down, or the page number and the number of the problem, and I can make a response video that shows how to do that one, or I can answer the question in the math document depending how easy it is to explain. So don't worry if you need to skip any problems, you can just write a question instead. So this video is for page 85, where we change units of mass, meaning when we weigh things, between kilograms and grams. It's kind of our main point with this. So I'll start with our boss question. Okay, here is our mini boss question. Convert the following measurement into kilograms and round it to the nearest kilogram. So right now, it's not in kilograms yet. If you'd like to pause the video and try this, that would be perfect. And then let's move on to our lesson. Okay. A quick note before I do page 85 lesson, actually. Good thing I reminded myself here. On page 83 to 84, there are some questions where they have you estimate how much you think something weighs. It always happens to me. Here we go. They have you estimate how much something probably weighs. So if I said, oh, why don't you estimate how much your bed weighs, and you think your bed is pretty heavy, so you might say, oh, it weighs 100 kilograms. Then they would ask you to actually measure the bed. That would be using actually a scale. So say I have an enormous scale and I measure my bed, it might only be 75 kilograms, or maybe it's only 20 kilograms. So maybe my guess was wrong. So there are some problems on your page that are kind of like this, but they should be easier to weigh than your bed, I hope. If it's something you can't weigh because you don't have a scale, it's okay to leave that one blank. Otherwise, just do your best measurement. So if it says, measure your laptop. Okay, first you might guess, my laptop weighs 57 kilograms. And then you weigh it. You say, oh, my laptop weighs 2 kilograms. So it's just to see if your estimate was close. Hopefully that will make sense when you get to that part. Okay, here we've just got a little terminology. So in the past we studied kilometers. I'm pretty sure we studied kilometers. So you may remember with the ridiculous story of the French when they came up with the meter or the measure. What did kilo mean? If you had your math notebook, maybe you could look. But kilo is 1,000. So it's the 1,000 meter. Oh, here I wrote grams, but I should have written meter. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Same thing with the kilogram. The gram is a measurement of weight. Kilogram means the 1,000 gram. So 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So that will allow us to do this assignment, knowing this lovely fact. So just for a little practice, go ahead and fill out this chart. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? 2 kilograms equals how many grams? Give it a try, then hit play again. So we should have filled it out like this. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. 2 kilograms is 2,000 grams. 3 kilograms is 3,000 grams. 4 kilograms is 4,000 grams. 5 kilograms is 5,000 grams. Look at our lovely metric system, making it so easy to do. Easy. Because I'm just adding 3 zeros to everything. How nice. As a lazy mathematician, you might like this too. There you go. All right, so go ahead and try these. Convert the following kilogram measurements to grams. Hopefully you paused and give it a try. 7 kilograms, 7, and let's add 3 zeros, 7,000 grams. 35 kilograms, we have 35,000 grams. 100 kilograms, 100,000 grams. 345 kilograms, 345,000 grams. So again, we're just taking this original kilogram measurement, we're going to multiply it by 1,000. And we're just doing that every time. Okay. We are going to compare measurements that are actually in different units. So for example, which is larger, 7 kilometers or 300 meters? Ooh, it's in meters. But remember, kilometers means 1,000 meters. So even though the number 300 is bigger than the number 7, we might want to think twice before we say that this was bigger. So first let's convert the kilometers into meters so we can compare. So 7 kilometers, I'm going to multiply by 1,000, 7,000 meters. So which is big? Which is bigger, 7,000 meters or 300 meters? Well, 7,000 meters is much bigger. So 7 kilometers is a lot longer than 300 meters. Okay, go ahead and try these. Decide which one is bigger. Is it, for part A, 354 grams or 3 kilograms? And so on. And hopefully you paused the video and gave it a try. So in order to compare, I'm going to convert these kilograms into grams. So 3 kilograms equals 3,000 grams. 3,000 is bigger than 354. So this is bigger, 3 kilograms. Okay, so for part B, I'll need to convert 78 kilograms. That would equal 78,000 grams, which is bigger than 7,800 grams. So 78 kilograms is actually bigger. And now we're going to compare 24,897 grams with 20 kilograms. This will be converted into grams, 20,000 grams. And now we know that 24,897 is bigger than 20,000, so this is the larger measurement. All right, we're going to go on to a little bit different part of the lesson here. All right, this is for finding measurements that fall between two other measurements. For example, if you had a number line like this, where you had 3 kilograms, 4 kilograms, 5 kilograms, 6 kilograms. So for example, if I had the measurement, actually I'm going to have this. If I had the measurement 3,000 500 grams, where would it go on this line? Well, I know that 3 kilograms is 3,000 grams, and 4 kilograms is 4,000 grams. So 3,500 grams would be exactly in the middle here. Ooh, it's a little squeaky today. Ah, the squeak. I don't like the squeak. Okay. So let's do a couple more. Let's say we had 4,798 grams. About where would it go on this number line? Give it a try. And you may have noticed that 4 kilograms is the same as 4,000 grams, so it's bigger than that. 5 kilograms is the same as 5,000 grams, so it's smaller than that. So it's somewhere around here. Closer to the 5 kilograms because 4,798 is getting close to 5,000. All right, let's do a couple more. Okay. What measurements in kilograms would be on either side of this? So for example, let's do 5,892 grams. It's between what 2 kilogram measurements? See if you can give it a guess. Okay. And if you tried it, 5 kilograms is 5,000 grams. So it's bigger than that. 6 kilograms is 6,000 grams. So it's smaller than that. So we could say this is between 5 kilograms and 6 kilograms. And just for another example, let's say we had 3,025 grams. What 2 kilogram measurements is it between? Give it a try. And hopefully you said, oh, it goes somewhere around here on the number line. So it's between 3 kilograms and 4 kilograms. All right. Okay, I want to actually leave that up there for a second. So how many whole kilograms are in 3,025 grams? Well, since it's between, we know it's between 3 and 4. So it's not going to be something higher than that. And it's not 4 whole kilograms because that would be bigger than the number. So we know there are 3 whole kilograms because it kind of goes right here. 3 whole kilograms. So this is the number of thousands. And your book might ask you something like, why does the number of thousands tell you the kilograms? And they're just looking for you to say, well, because there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So there are 3 whole kilograms in this number. Let's do a couple examples. So let's say you have 4,500 grams. How many whole kilograms are in that? And hopefully you said there are 4 whole kilograms because this number tells me. And if I had 5,892 grams, how many whole kilograms are in that? Oh, 5, because you can look at the thousandths place to tell you that. Okay, I think I'm going to take this number line off for you. just use this. Okay. So kind of do a related thing here. Say I have 17 kilograms and 18 kilograms here. How many grams are in this and how many grams are in this? Go ahead and solve that real quick. So hopefully you said 17,000 grams. And this says 18,000 grams. So if I asked you to find a measurement that was between these two, you pick anything that is between these two numbers. So go ahead and write a couple answers that could be between these two. Okay, and you could have written anything from 17,001 grams. You could have written halfway between 17,500 grams. You could have written 17,999 grams. Those are all in between 17,000 grams and 18,000 grams. All right, let's do something a little different. All right, we have some mixed measurements. So here we have 3 grams. Oh no, I'm gonna write that again. I erased it. 3 grams. Oops, 3 kilograms and 456 grams. So I want to change this so that instead of being measured in kilograms and then in grams, it will be all in grams. So if you want to give that a try, you can. So 3 kilograms is the same thing as 3,000 grams. Okay, and now I'm going to add this 456 grams, and your book will have a problem like this. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3. So now I end up with 3,456 grams. You know that this number is going to be in the thousands place because it is kilograms. Let's do a couple examples. I think I have some written on here. Yes. So go ahead and change these into a measurement with just grams. Okay, hopefully you've given it a try. So 2 kilograms, 4 grams, 2,000 plus 4 grams, 2,004 grams. 5 kilograms, well, that's 5,000 grams, and then we'll add 159. Okay, 52 kilograms, that's 52,000, plus, let's add 604. Here we have 8 kilograms, so that's 8,000 grams, plus 15 grams. And now let's do it in reverse. So we're going to change this measurement with just grams and make it into a mixed measurement that has kilograms and grams. So how many whole kilograms are in this number? Well, we have 23,000, so 23. We always know it's how many thousands there are because 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Okay, and now the remaining grams are just 765. Okay, so this one, the thousands are 7, and then our leftover grams are 893. And for this last one, we have 39,000, so we'll put that in kilograms, and then 950 leftover grams. All right, that is the last part. We can go back to the boss question if you haven't tried it yet. Give it a try and put your answer on the math document.